Hey there, what's up? This is Neil Napier, the Stoic Entrepreneur, and in this video, I'm going to do a speed run of UGC Valet. If you don't know what these speed runs are, basically within the next 30 minutes or less, I'm going to show you how you can get set up and running and get real output that you can use using UGC Valet. Now, if you don't know what UGC Valet is, it's basically an app that allows you to create user-generated content using third-party actors. You don't need to go out there and hire people. You don't need to go and hire voiceovers. You can commercially use the videos that you create with this to sell a product, to advertise your services, do whatever it is that you want to do. So let me go ahead and show you how far I can get with this app within 30 minutes. I've only opened it once before this to do a short demo, so I know it's easy to use, but of course I want to show you from start to finish when you log in, what you see, how you can use it. So you'll see a welcome video from Joshua Zamora, who's the co-creator of this app. On the left, you'll be able to see all the videos that have been created using this platform. And then you will also see all the sub-users that are within the platform that you add depending on the level that you have. You'll see tutorials here, some FAQs as well. I believe there are more are coming. You have access to support desk bonuses and so on. Now let's go ahead and create our first UGC video. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this plus button. When I do, I've got three options. I can create a single video. I can create a bulk video, so I can create multiple videos at once. And I can also create bulk videos with active variations. These features are available as part of the upgrade, so it depends whether or not you have access to them. But I'll show you. If we have time, I'll come back to them. But let's go ahead and do a single video creation. So I'm going to go ahead and call this one Neil Live Run 2. And in this case, I've got various different voice actors that you can use. I've got about 15 or so, I think 14 or so here. And with each voice actor, you get suggestions on what audio it is you want to use. So let's go ahead and use Sarah. I'm going to keep it a bit neutral. I'm going to use Laura. So you can see details about Laura. You can check out her video, what this looks like right now. Or you can just go ahead and click select. And this voice actor gets selected. The upgrade does have more voice actors available, more to be added in the future. But again, you may or may not have access to that depending on what you've purchased. So let's go ahead and find Sarah. I'm going to go to most likely the last page, but I think even this should give us all the options. Sarah, you can of course check other audio options as well if you want. I'm going to go click select on this. Again, click continue. And I basically want Sarah to create a video for me to advertise one of my products, which is Frank and AI. So just to show you, here you can introduce pauses between content, right? Here you can apply emotion. So for example, this is a great product that I love to use. And I'm just, by the way, I'm just exploring these as I go along with you. It's just, I'm kind of looking at it as it stands. So say confidently. So you'll change kind of the emotion in this, which is great. If you want the AI to create a script, you can create a script using this as well. Alternatively, you're going to paste your own video, paste your own text. So what I'm going to do is let me open up in a different tab. I'm going to find, I'm going to find an ad script. So I recently created some ads for Frank and AI, and I'm just going to go ahead and copy this one. I think it may not allow like such a long script just because the limit is 30 seconds. So you can see it comes up to about 47 seconds. With some upgrades, I believe you can do longer videos as well. So it's about 30 seconds or so. This is fine. Frank, I think this is a bit difficult for AI to pronounce. Sometimes I know from experience, so I'll just say Frank and AI. And I'm going to remove this as well. There we go. Continue. And then I can choose to add subtitles. I'll do that. You can choose to reduce the size of the subtitles, and which I will do. And then you can choose to present it word by word. Let me just preview this, what that would look like. Okay, there you go at the bottom. I'm going to increase the size a little bit. There you go. Let's try again. Let's do this as well. Preview. And again, you see this is the bottom here, which is fine. Let's go ahead and continue. And all this is chosen, all this is selected. Actors, Laura, voices, Sarah. script is this, or did I pick the wrong voice? Maybe I picked the wrong voice, but that's okay. I think again, this would help if they actually had some more suggestions throughout this, but that's fine. Let's go and create video. Now this, from my previous run, I found takes about 2 to 5 minutes depending on the length of the video. As you can see, I created one before. This is a shared account that I'm using right now just to test this out. But that's it. Like, this is literally what you have to do. But let's go ahead and, I mean, it took me, what, like less than 5 minutes to use so far. I want to create a longer video for you, but this is it. So maybe what I'll do in the later part of the video is actually walk you through how to go about and sell these if you want to. So then you can choose bulk placeholders or bulk active variations as well, which is great because look, one of the things I want to do with my ads is I want to run the ads and see which one actually gets the best response, right? One thing I wish they would do as well is having videos longer than 30 seconds. But like I said, it might be one of the upgrade features, or I don't know, you'll have to go check it out. And I will recommend this to the creator. But let's go ahead. If I choose this, I think she looks like a nurse. I'm going to deselect that. And I'm going to pick Danielle. And I'm going to pick John as well. Continue. Audio. Select the voice distributed bulk video creation. So they'll be using conjunction. So it looks like I can't choose the audio like different speakers. So I'm going to go ahead and deselect the women because I just want to test out like a man's audio for now. So continue 4 actions and you can listen to the audio here. You pick any one basically as you want. And I'm just going to go ahead and select this one in this case. So yeah, I don't think you can select like multiple, or you can select multiple audios as well. Huh, cool. I don't know how it allocates them, but it's fine. We'll check it out. Continue. And then the script again, I'm going to go ahead and copy paste the same thing that we had before. Let's go do that. 1 second. Let's go do that here right now. 25 seconds, which is fine. And remember, you can put in like pauses for like a minute, for a second as well if you want to, and so on. So continue. Subtitles, I'm going to skip subtitles for this one. And this is fine. Let's go ahead. I'll just say Neil bulk video sample. Okay, we'll check this out a little bit. Create videos. It's going to go do its thing. But let's go back into videos. And you can see these ones are under process. And Neil Live Run 2 is done. Let's go check it out. So I'm going to play this for you. Let's say with subtitles.
Frank N AI, an incredible cloud-based app that... This is Frank N AI, an incredible cloud-based app that allows anyone to completely automate their social media content creation and marketing. And it's so easy to use. All I do is log in to my Frank N AI account, create a new social media automation plan for my business, enter my website's link, or I can just add some description if I don't have a website. Select the language I want to create content in.
Okay, this is pretty incredible. Like I said, the only downside I can see so far is if I want to create a longer script, I have to stitch 2 of them together. Now, typically, just so you know, the tool I use for something like this is HeyGen. And by the way, again, just to remind you, we're done with the demo. Like again, 30-minute walkthrough, we're done in like 8 minutes. We've got a working video file. But generally, I use HeyGen, and HeyGen's not cheap. It does a little bit more, but HeyGen is not cheap at all. So if you go to pricing, it starts at about, there's a free version, which you can do 3 videos a month, for example. Videos are longer, which is again, my only bugbear with this tool with UGC Valet, but it can work around it by downloading multiple videos, stitching them together. But even here, like for monthly price, you pay $29 per month or more. Like if you want 3 seats, for example, you have to pay about $270 a month, give or take. So there are expensive options out there, which again, I mean, I wouldn't recommend, but hey, if you get this for a one-time price, by all means go for it because it is totally worth it. So let's log in again and I'll see where my videos are at, if they're done. One of them is done. Let's go check it out. So I'm going to go ahead and see this.
Frank N AI, an incredible cloud-based app that allows anyone to completely automate their...
Okay, to be honest, I don't like this one too much. So just by testing this, I know, okay, that's kind of going wrong. And this is not really what I'm after. But if I go to videos, as more of these come through, I'm able to basically check them out as well. So let's cycle back to this in just a few minutes. What I want to do is I want to go into Fiverr. And I want to show you money-making opportunities with this because honestly, that's why you're doing this. You're doing this so you can make money, so you can sell these videos as you want and you can get rich in the process. Let me zoom out a little bit. 1 second. There we go. Okay, so let's say if I just type in UGC here. So you can see various UGC content creators, they're charging about $60 plus per minute of video. I'll show you this one. He's charging, if your video is about, let's say 30 seconds, he's charging about $198, which, to be fair, if you can make a lot of money with it, it's absolutely worth the price. But you don't have to pay that kind of money anymore, right? So you've got these UGC actors, you can create videos with them. For a lot of people, that's enough. So you can go in there and you can say, hey, I've got these multiple actors lined up and I can create these UGC videos for you for just $10 for 30 seconds. Literally $10 for 30 seconds. You give me a script. These are what the videos are going to look like, and I'll create these videos for you. And of course, longer videos is going to take some processing time for you to stitch them together. So you can charge them a little bit extra for those as well. Again, doesn't take you a lot of effort to do this. That's the simplest way to sell this if you want to. But the other way to approach this as well is you can reach out to businesses. Like, you can literally reach out to businesses. And actually tell you what, just give with an idea. So as a bonus, I'm also going to give you a lead gen tool that's going to help you reach out to businesses. So you can reach out to businesses, you can send them a cold email, and you can say, hey, I've got this incredible way for me to create like 10 different spokesperson for you. You can use all of them on your social media. If you want, you can put them anywhere, you can run ads to them or whatever. You can give me a script, I can create a script, and you can list them a price. So you can say each video, if I do with my own script, is going to cost you $50, right? It's going to be like 1 minute long. But if you do your own script, I'm going to cut down the price to 25, up to a minute long video. I mean, this is super, super cheap. And of course, if you do 10 of those, it's going to cost you $250 or $500. You can charge more for these videos as well, but quite honestly, this is enough. So again, if you're watching this video, if you haven't purchased UGC Wallet, Valet, why are you watching this video? Go purchase it. But if you have, then great, fantastic. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure you get the free lead gen tool from us as well. So consider this a thank you video for getting UGC Valet. I mean, I've shown you basically what's possible with it. It is super, super simple to use. I just think this is like, I wish I had to do a longer run to be able to get results for this, but honestly, it was just super simple.
Frank AI, an incredible cloud-based app that allows anyone to completely automate their social media content creation and...
Okay, I don't know why you want a construction person for this, but hey, you've got a construction person here. So yeah, this is how you do it. Simple, straightforward. It's an amazing tool. I think it makes life easy, which is what I want most of the time for me, because I want to take any extra time I have, spend it with my wife and kids. So I want you to do the same thing. Go get this tool. If you haven't already, again, you really should be watching this video only if you have the tool. But I hope you found this useful, and I look forward to working with you in the future as well. Thanks. Bye.